The Cairo-Durham Central School District is looking to the future with its proposed capital improvement project. If approved by voters, the project would bring 21st century improvements to the district's security, academic programs, facilities, and more. Voting will take place on Tuesday, December 11th, from 1 to 9 p.m. in the Cairo-Durham Middle School cafeteria. The proposed project was heavily influenced by input from staff, students, and community members at forums throughout the 2017-18 school year. The input was used to develop a shared vision for district facilities and define much of the project scope. The main goals of the project are to improve the Cairo-Durham educational experience and promote college and career readiness. The project aims to strengthen academic programs by updating school spaces to reflect the college and work environment. All 3 school buildings would benefit from the project.
A key aspect of our vision is to provide multiple learning pathways for our students, and we need to make sure that our physical environment supports that vision. So making sure that we have, both through shop classrooms and our science classrooms, we're providing an environment that is very much in line with the environment that's going to exist for our students at the next level. So that we are addressing and supporting the needs of all of our different learners.
The project also includes upgrades and maintenance at all school buildings, such as air conditioning and additional parking at the elementary school, as well as athletic field repair and asphalt replacement at the middle high school. These and other priority items were identified as areas most in need of maintenance and repair when the district underwent a mandatory 5-year building condition survey in 2015. Based on survey recommendations, school leaders and the Board of Education Facilities Committee finalized a list of priority items. A complete list of immediate need high priority items and cost estimates from the Building Condition Survey is available at www.cairodurham.org/capital project. The project also includes adding a garage workshop area at the Durham School to support career and technical education programs. The remaining scope of the work focuses mainly on the Cairo-Durham Middle High School and includes enhancements to building security, the learning environment, academic programs, and spaces to benefit the community. The front of the building would be reconfigured to maximize both security and convenience. The middle high school main offices would be combined to create a single, more secure point of entry. All visitors would sign in and access the school through one centrally located entrance. Currently, many shared school services, such as guidance, registration, and the school nurse, are spread throughout the middle high school. The project would centralize these services, making them more convenient and accessible for all students, as well as parents and families coming to the school. The proposal includes a new state-of-the-art media center for school and community use. It would be built at the front of the building to allow for easy public access to meeting spaces and Board of Education meetings. Other media center upgrades include new furniture, new equipment, collaborative work areas, and a makerspace. A fitness center would also be added to the middle high school campus. It would have an additional entrance for community use. To better support academic programming, some high school classrooms would be renovated. This includes updated areas for woodshop and technology, as well as music technology near the auditorium. Outdated science labs that were original to the 1976 building would also be replaced, providing students with better science facilities and equipment that are in line with current educational, technological, and safety standards.
So with the next-gen science standards, there's a lot more involvement in the STEM with the interaction. So being able to do hands-on projects, being able to work with the equipment and understand those techniques. And so a big part of that is having not only the equipment, but the environment where you can work on those and have that set up, where you can seamlessly move from the classroom to the lab setting and back again. And with the old labs designs that we currently have, there is very little of that.
The equipment available in high school classrooms does not match current cutting-edge technology, and the collaborative environment that is promoted in STEM fields is hard to be implemented in lecture-style classrooms. It's important for students to be able to collaborate in the science fields while in high school, so when they go on to college and the workforce that they're equipped with this skill.
Several other spaces would be updated to transform the learning environment and maximize educational opportunities. The project would create more collaborative learning spaces throughout the building, including small group spaces and a large group instruction area that would also support the growing distance learning program. Huddle spaces or common areas with group seating would also be added to create comfortable, informal learning spaces where students can collaborate on projects and complete group work independent from the classroom. The cost of the project, subject to voter approval, is $28.9 million. However, approximately 64% of the cost would be eligible for state building aid reimbursement. Taxpayers would be responsible for the remaining portion. For more information about the project, estimated tax impact, and how to vote, join us for a public meeting on November 15th or one of 2 project Q&A sessions with Superintendent Tavy. You can also check your mail for a capital project newsletter in mid-November or visit us anytime on the web at www.cairo-durham.org/capital project.
The focus of this project is on the future. This is a future-focused project. We need to make sure that we are providing a learning environment for our students that is cutting edge.
Please remember to vote on Tuesday, December 11th from 1 to 9 p.m. in the Cairo-Durham Middle School cafeteria. For an absentee ballot, contact the district clerk at 518-622-8534, extension 25010. Cairo-Durham Schools, future focused for student success.